Nsem-Pii TV.
Yamamu Akwaba Edeba, be the first to know. Breaking news. We are breaking news. And Abitoja, Oman Kron Ghana. Na a seminal Eya and Paul Adomoche on his Good Evening Ghana show so brown MP for Meishia South. Lawyer and AJ Bafo war or more drinking is asking we home. They both confess Niama Ayu in the exact words. I'm say it looks frightening. Then they look frightening. Petitioner Grata Free Government spokesperson on Betuja say President Mahama and Saka petitions me and Sa na or the Akoma Council of State. So Munchushim the NT committee, the Chief Justice, Ladyship Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokono and Fanny Friho. Na omunya kwan appointed allegedly NDC omo favorite candidate Justice Paul Bafoboni and I say Justice Amadou Tanko. Breaking news passes here and say we yema her ladyship the Chief Justice one trying to so Obawura Jubilee House is here and the onoso akoma so asem ne ofio say niema entwe ye fa sansem we hu atuja. Now, Stormy Jubilee House in an official capacity as the Honorable Chief Justice. Now, Krata or the Aqua Dine, John Dramani Mahama, and the spokesperson is Felix Quacho Fusu, and in Sasha Sakrata and Noebeda, Abonti, and Sepuleti across the length and breadth of Ghana, across Africa, New Year singing, we are report to be no. Emame Justice get to talk on no respondo. Na ohe krata na the beto so ama unzo etimi say letter here near the Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. 1. His Excellency the President Jubilee House. Say message we am confirm. Number 2. The Honorable Edward Do Ejaho, Chairman of the Council of State and former Speaker of Parliament. 3. The Honorable Justice Sofia Akufu, Member of the Council of State and former Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. And 4. The Council of State no and Kwedu Ediaboni Ediakosha Omonsa say Omonte Committee Nipa 5, 2 justices of the Supreme Court and Nipa Miensa or Momonya parliamentarians or no onya lawyer onya Council of State member Sansunya politician. Na Krata or they according John Dramani Mahama and NDC for no. This is what the Chief Justice is demanding. Title say request to be given copies of petitions submitted against Justice Gertrude Araba Issa Basaki Tokono, Chief Justice, before conclusions of consultations between His Excellency the President and the Council of State under Article 1466. And just say Justice Tokono say omontwentweso petition krono a John Dramani Mahama na esie say nipa miensa dia ba beda no a Ghana fo obia hunu sa petition ni bi no omuma onu nipa krono e Chief Justice no onu na petition ni fa no ho no omuma ni hunu petition ni di mu we a principle of natural justice obia hia fair hearing obia be kan sama fa no ho a mumma ono nso nti sa sem na nipa ne be kan no say na nipa ne kan constitution say it has to be held in camera and say in secret mumma na krata ni bi no no nso nkwohye ne de no wonken kan ebesi ne krata no ye man bi eni nti no de sa krata we eko John Dramani Mahama ne office na ye dem be fa letter ni ye wi a na ya bo voices concerning this same issue e dey actually I say respectfully on the night of Tuesday 24th March 2025 a communication from the presidency was circulated on social media announcing that the president has received 3 petitions for my removal as Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana pursuant to Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution. The communication further stated that the president had forwarded the 3 petitions to the Council of State to commence the constitutional process mandated by Article 1466 of the 1992 Constitution. Respectfully, as you are no doubt in a way, it is most fundamental precept of the common law and our constitutional dispensation into the justice delivery process that no consideration that affects the rights of a defendant can be made unless the defendant has been given notice of the contents of a charge and an opportunity to respond to them. Further, no defendant can be subjected to a trial unless the preliminary process of receiving their response has been adhered to. This forms part of the age-old odi auterem partem rule of natural justice and the fundamental rights of citizens under Article 19, Article 23, and Article 296 of the 1992 Constitution, and all decisions in Ghana's jurisprudence. Up to date, on 27th March 2025, I have not been shown the 3 petitions mentioned in the communication of 25th March 2025 or given an opportunity to respond to them, which material is expected to form the premise for the consultations between the Council of State and His Excellency the President under Article 146. As to whether there is a need to set up the committee of inquiry described in Article 146 and 1467 for the trial of any issues raised. As you are aware, when a petition for removal of a superior court judge under Article 1461 is forwarded to the Chief Justice, the first requirement of due process is for the Chief Justice to bring the petition to the attention of the accused judge and to obtain the response to the petition. This is the right afforded every citizen in justice delivery, and it is provided for in Article 146 procedures. In my time as Chief Justice, I have handled 5 such petitions for removal of superior court judges and heard from them before determining whether a prima facie case has been made against them to the merit of setting up of the investigative committee provided for under Article 146(4). It is the combination of the evidence in the petition and the response of the judge that guides the Chief Justice to determine as a sole inquirer under Article 146(3) whether a prima facie case has been established against the judge to merit the setting up of the investigative committee of 3 justices and 2 eminent citizens to conduct a hearing of a complaint against the judge pursuant to Article 146(4). Respectfully, in the case of the Chief Justice, please allow me to submit that it is the combination of the evidence in the petition and the response of the Chief Justice that provides the material for consultation between His Excellency the President and the eminent members of the Council of State under Article 1466. These 2 sources serve to guide whether a prima facie case has been established, such that a committee of inquiry should be set up under Article 1467 to inquire into whether the Chief Justice may be removed from office. This is the direction of the Supreme Court in the case of J. Chum versus Attorney General and Akwete, 2005-2006 Supreme Court of Ghana Law Report, Volume 732. I am by this letter humbly and respectfully asking His Excellency the President and eminent members of the Council of State to forward the petition against me to me and allow me at least 7 days after receipt of same to provide my response to you, which response can then form part of the material that you conduct the consultations anticipated under Article 1466 before the possible setting up of a committee of inquiry under Article 1467. Thank you very much in anticipation of consideration of these matters of due process that I have humbly placed before you, respectfully submitted, signed, Justice Gertrude Saki Tokonu, Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Na say krata John Dramani Mahama Oma Felix Kwachofu so de beto abonten krata no ho response and a Chief Justice Eddie Abba raising several constitutional provisions and grounds as to why I wasn't kasadi we faswa sadi we anyede amfaso. Na say number 1, it shows clearly say John Dramani Mahama as President of the Republic of Ghana, he is not informed at all. He is not well informed at all. Onim the nanka was away. Now, yan chireno so the nanka was away. And now say Ebia ye chireno na fanka san no amfa. They was seen argument port or abon trim poso obey na when I just obey. It's answer previous years on one kasaba bon team be kind. Say the only thing that can sanitize the judiciary is a new Chief Justice. And Chief Justice Kosiani Yabwa retire. And Chief Justice Tokonuaba. Still now he's hell bent on doing mischief. The engineer as John Dramani Mahama when you informed. John Dramani Mahama Edikan are appointed to the office of Onwan Kasa, the presidency honono. A council Onoye the former Attorney General Marietta Brew appear upon no any advise the president on office with regards to all legal and constitutional matters. So it raises the question, say Marietta Brew appear upon former Attorney General a dear be a footwo no de man John Dramani Mahama. In chire mu be no de man John Dramani Mahama, because as a former Attorney General and a lawyer of good standing are practicing miracle. All these positions see and as a legal grounds are Chief Justice Erezi. And once I go who more catch John Dramani Mahama. Say one obi the petition aba. Nipa na ya body or petition in on friend no and ni hon komo. On refer petition na emano. On communicate near man kasa was a petition mako yensa ni mu onim ho we. On consult no. On manifest hearing. On some man chance a man respond to all these petitions. Now we prepare the craft habit to say one refer matter no and the Ama Council of State. Say Council of State for entrance. Now it is a disgrace to the presidency. 2. The Attorney General and Minister of Justice for the Republic, Dr. Dominic Akortenga Ayini, are known as a ban lawyer penny. In such a matter as the Attorney General and Minister for Justice, you be brief you. It's as a way a NDC for na mosha de momu kukusadi. Ne papa yemu and a petition na nkofo de aba no. Petition papa na enye frivolous. Na sebi enye nkwasiasem se de na no anakwa amafo abronye kana. Aban lawyer penny on saka. The first thing you're supposed to do is to grant audience to respondent no nipa na ya boni di petition no. Man nipa ni hu se krata 1 Krata 2, Krata 3, Niama say ni wum ya maubi or response on the same. Dina entimi ankoso, Hunya say Krata we aba bontia babu tuja. And so you say patapapi to who yadimran and go. They say the Honorable Chief Justice, and so at the letter of Akopimo Jubilee House. I'm a Ghana for you know say due diligence and Kasankoso. Ketasishe, I didn't bonibi ties her petition with Yechi. And this is long-standing fracas with the judiciary no inquiry. Right from the days of the AFRC PNDC, near more Modiaya judge for including 2015 John Dramani Mahama Nankasatiso in his first term, judges scandal by and nay the Guswa Ekoso judicial scandals and some woman for judiciary and noa and Guswa Ekoso. So be a crime with this idea will be now. It shouldn't be against the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Ghana, he rank him we president, he vice, he speaker of parliament through her Chief Justice now. And it is the Chief Justice who swears in even the president, his vice, and the speaker of parliament. DNT and your breach natural rule of justice. Chief Justice who petition one kind of young man and quite amana responding. I dimly can refer matter to Council of State. Now we are expecting Council of State for no, especially key figures be to say Justice of Kufu Chief Justice that say consultation and no man so many. It was any money issue statement. Say a number of council, the new process consultation a basso. Lawyer and AJ Banfu one on this same conversation regarding procedure you monamswa obian te petition me saying can obian ni mo tro initial petition by you Professor Kwaku Asare Azar and tro petitions be ebesi ne anonymous. How is this possible? Nsem-Pii is
Nsem-Pii will no more, now Nsem-so. Now show on my YouTube channel.
Be the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.